Hello guys, everyone. Can I Gadget Pro? Imagine if your phone could unfold into a tablet and then unfold again into a mini laptop screen. Sound impossible, right? Well, Samsung just decided, hold my coffee. And they dropped the Galaxy Z TriFold, the world first triple folding smart that literally means reality. I will break it down like a tech friend. Fast, simple, and clarity only. And don't skip this video till end. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's go. So you are a student, creator, gamer, or someone who's sick of carrying a phone, tablet, and a laptop around. This device might just be the future you are being waiting for. Here are the 5 biggest reasons the trifold is blowing up everywhere. 3 screen in 1. The flex mode is best. The trifold open in 2 folds, giving you phone mode, tablet mode, 10 in display. Wide workstation mode is literally a phone, tablet, mini PC in one pocket device. Stand-up point. No other smart mode, not even the fold or pixel fold, gives you this much screen space in one device. Second, AI-powered multitasking real productivity mode. This thing is built for phone who multitask is crazy. You can run 3 apps side by side, drag and drop files elite on a canvas, or watch class lecture while taking notes. Stand-up point. You basically get the iPad level efficiency without carrying an iPad. Third, game and stream machine entertainment level max. The largest unfold display turned into a portable gaming console. Netflix YouTube 2 gaming everything feels bigger, brighter and smoother. Plus the refrigerator and speakers are tuned for the full cinematic feel. Stand-up point. It's like having a Nintendo Switch tablet plus phone combined. Fourth, camera setup that adapts ultraplex photography. 200 MP main camera because the phone can hold in multiple ways to get. Hand-free vlogging, stable top-down shots, better low-angle photography, flex cam for TikTok reels. Stand-up point. You shoot videos without holding the phone or drop at best. 5. Better battery and stronger hacks. Built for daily use. A device with 3 screens needs strong hardware. Samsung upgraded the hangs, durability and better optimization specifically for triple full mode. You get all-day battery for classes, meetings and long commits. Stand-up point. Despite all the folding, it stays smoother than most foldable when closed. Quick comparison. Trifold versus standard foldable. Here's the truth. Regular foldable phone plus tablet. Trifold phone plus tablet plus workstation. The fold is level 1. The trifold is level 10. You are getting a bigger phone. You are getting a whole new device. Category. Perfect for students who take notes, creator who edit quick clips, designer who sketch, gamers, anyone who wants max productivity in their pocket. The Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold isn't just a new phone. It's the start of a new direction in mobile tech. Alright, your turn. Would you buy the Galaxy Z TriFold or stick with a normal foldable like the Z Fold 6 or Pixel Fold? Drop your choice in the comments and let's see what they were thinks. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, more gadget rules, update to subscribe the bell icon for more gadget videos.